Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open the Tesla Model S charge port. Opening your Tesla Model S charge port is quite straightforward, and there are several convenient ways to do it. We will focus on the easiest method, which requires no tools or complex steps. This quick guide will help you access your charging port efficiently, ensuring you can power up your vehicle without any hassle. Let's get started with the simplest approach. The easiest method involves a simple physical interaction with the charge port itself. First, locate the charge port on the driver's side, positioned just behind the rear wheel arch. Once you have found it, apply a firm but gentle press on the rear edge of the charge port door. You will feel a slight click, and the door will then automatically pop open, ready for you to plug in your charging cable. It's that simple. Beyond the physical press, you have several other convenient options. You can open the charge port directly from the large 17-inch touchscreen inside your Model S. Simply navigate to the charging icon. Alternatively, your key fob offers a quick solution. Just press and hold the rear trunk button for about 1 to 2 seconds. Finally, the Tesla mobile application on your smartphone provides remote control, allowing you to open the port from a distance. Once you have finished charging, closing the port is just as easy. Simply push the charge port door gently back into its housing. You should hear a soft click, indicating it has latched securely. Always ensure the door is fully closed to protect the internal components from weather and debris. Following these simple steps will keep your Tesla Model S charging system in excellent condition for many years of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.